So the water molecules in that.
So we are at Terra Nova, and we are going to hang a mural that was created last year.
Yeah.
That's just right.
I think the students are really going to love seeing it up, and also I think it's going to be a great segue into students being able to ask questions.
The work that this school does to incorporate art and to incorporate good artwork to tell the story that they're already doing and the traditions that they're keeping alive, to combine them both is something that that the students need.
He created the mural during one of our cultural events. So while he was creating the mural, we had students here also creating their own art. So they kind of went through the experience with him to see how he started with drawings and then added paint.
I think it's important to put culture in schools. It helps them have that sense of belonging. It makes teachers aware that we're still here, we still want to be recognized, and we want our culture to be recognized and seen. So having a mural in schools not only supports our students, but it also supports our staff that identify as Native American.